Righty, hello there guys. Today I'm going to be rating 2 Rubik's Cubes. First up we have the Rubik's Speed Cube. And we're going to be rating and see which one is better. And then we have the Moyu Super Rs3m, and I did the maglev version. So let's first go with the Rubik's Speed Cube. Let's see. Flexibility. It's not that flexible, but it's alright. I just cut myself. Corner twisting. Works. Now let's see how fast. It's fast, but not as good as other speed cubes. Yeah, I cut myself now. Alright, now we're gonna try the Moyu Super Rs3m maglev. Flexibility. Pretty good flexibility. Better. And it can't corner twist, I guess, because it's maglev, and I guess it's fixed into place, but let's try it. Yeah, definitely feels way better than the Rubik's Speed Cube. I would recommend getting the Moyu Super Rs3m and the maglev version.